Section 3 is using counting with probability. Example 1 here says Finn, James, Luke, and Eddie are going to have a movie night this weekend. Together they have 33 movies. If they decide to randomly choose 4 movies, what is the probability that the 4 they choose will consist of each other's favorite movies? And assume that they all have different favorite movies. So the first thing we need to figure out is the possible ways to get 4 movies. Since order doesn't matter, it'll be a combination. There's 33 movies total, and we want 4. So that's 33 factorial on top, 4 factorial times 33 minus 4 factorial on the bottom. So on the top, we will go down to 29 factorial. And the 29 factorials can be canceled. So we have 33 times 32 times 31 times 30 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's 40,920 possible ways to get these 4 favorite movies. So the probability for the 4 favorites, there's only one chance out of 40,920 that we're going to choose these 4 favorites. And if you want to put that as a decimal, you'll want to 6 decimal places, so 4 zeros, 2 4. And example 2 says the table shows the breakdown of all employees on non-farm payrolls in the United States during March of 2014. Find the probability that a randomly selected U.S. worker was not in either goods producing or in utilities. So we're looking at goods producing and utilities, and we want to see what's the probability that they're not. Now we do have the total down here, so that's nice. And to find the probability that they're not in one of those two, we would find the probability that they are in one of those two and subtract it from 1. So let's find the probability that they are in goods and producing or in utilities. So we would add goods and producing and utilities. And don't ask me how they got part of a person here. And put that over the total. So as a decimal, that is 0.13932886. And so, again, to find the probability that you select someone that is not in goods and producing or utilities, you would subtract the probability that they are in one of those two from 1. So 0.860671. And that's it for the extra examples of this section.